Hello everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Mini Fridge Reviews. Number 5. Magic Chef MCBR240S1. Stainless steel look, 2.4 cubic foot capacity, freezer compartment. Model info MCBR240S1. Item weight 39.7 pounds. Adjustable temperature thermostat control. Number 4. Danby Designer DCR0442BDD. Capacity compact fridge. Full width freezer. 8 can door storage. Tall bottle storage. Form factor, stand alone. Item weight, 57.8 pounds. Number 3. Haier HC17SF15RB. Half width freezer compartment with ice. 2-litre bottle storage. Full width slide out wire shelf. Recessed door handle. Half width door storage shelf. Manual defrost with adjustable thermostat. Number 2. Igloo FR326M. Easily right and erase right on the fridge. 3.2 cubic foot fridge. Door basket for 2-litre bottles. Adjustable thermostat. The front door is a dry erased board. Slide out glass shelves and ice cube tray. Number 1. Midea WHS-65LB1. Large storage areas, excellent at chilling beverages. Features adjustable legs, storing frozen foods or making ice cubes. Full 1-year warranty. External product dimensions. Slightly tapered toward the back.